Election Commission has sought a report from the returning officer in the Rajya Sabha polls after Congress alleged misuse of state machinery to defeat R.K. Anand, the candidate backed by it, and demanded cancellation of the election. The rumblings within the party over the defeat have also led to some finger-pointing among the party's top leaders, much to the amusement of its rivals.
The drubbing received by the Congress on the two Rajya Sabha seats on which elections were held in Haryana on Saturday has intensified the churning in the party. While on the one hand, the party is watching out for signs of rebellion, on the other, it has moved the Election Commission. Congress filed a complaint before the poll watchdog on Monday, alleging misuse of official machinery. The party has demanded a re-poll on both the Rajya Sabha seats in Haryana.
इलेक्शन कमीशन का बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है, बहुत ध्यान से सारी बात सुनी है और इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कहा कि हम इस पर पूरी तहकीकात करेंगे और इसमें देखेंगे.
On Saturday, votes of 14 Congress legislators were cancelled, leading to the defeat of Congress-backed independent candidate R.K. Anand and victory of BJP-backed candidate Subhash Chandra. These 14 legislators are said to be loyalists of former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. While Congress has sought an explanation from Hooda for the conduct of the party's 14 MLAs, Indian National Lok Dal too has pointed fingers at Hooda, since R.K. Anand had the official backing of both Congress and INLD.
चौधरी भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा अगर ये बात कहते हैं कि ये कोई राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र है, तो आप उनसे ये पूछो कि आप अपना बैलेट पेपर ब्लैंक क्यों छोड़ करके आए? इस राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र को अंजाम देने वाले आप थे, इसलिए आपने अपना बैलेट पेपर है जो ब्लैंक छोड़ा है.
BJP has dubbed the Rajya Sabha voting row a reflection of Congress's internal wranglings.
वो अपने अगर कांग्रेस के विधायकों को नहीं रोक पा रहे हैं तो ये उनका काम है, ये किसी दूसरे का काम तो है नहीं. इसमें चुनाव आयोग या बाकी लोग क्या करेंगे? आखिर उन्होंने इस प्रकार की वोटिंग की जिसके कारण से उनके रिजेक्ट हो गए, तो इसमें और कोई क्या कर सकता है?
The results of Rajya Sabha polls on 57 seats has changed the number game in the upper house. NDA has gained 5 seats, taking its strength to 74. Congress's strength is down by 3 to 71 seats, while that of others is the same at 89. Others include Samajwadi Party, whose strength has increased to 19, making it the third largest party in the House. AIADMK and TMC have 12 MPs each, and BJD has 7. The changed arithmetic in the upper house may be a shot in the arm for the NDA, trying to get the GST bill passed by the House. Trinamool Congress has already announced its support for GST bill. If SP, BSP, JDU and RJD support the reform legislation, the government will have 123 MPs on its side. With majority of the 9 nominated Rajya Sabha MPs supporting the bill, the government may have the backing of 130 Rajya Sabha MPs on it. This may make it easier for the government to get legislations like the GST bill passed by the House. After having used its veto power by virtue of its numerical strength in the Rajya Sabha to stall legislations and other business, the opposition Congress has now been pushed on the back foot. On the other hand, the number game in the House will facilitate the government in transacting legislative business. News Night Desk, DD News.